Hey there, it's Elizabeth and welcome back. So today we're going to do a flip through. Yes, we are. We're going to clean some of the stuff off the desk first. Oh my god. You guys, it's a disaster area in here. Okay, I just finished filming like a load of decluttering videos. So, okay. Now I'm just going to take a moment to relax and share with you what was going on in the month of February. We're going to get through probably the first half of it today. The journal I use is a Moleskine. I have been using this since January of this year, 2022, and it's been working out okay for my purposes. You know, my routine has changed a lot over the last 2 years, and it's made it increasingly difficult to keep up in my journals and also to do the type of journaling that I really enjoy, which is lots of tucks, tags, and pockets. And I will get back to that at some point in my life, hopefully in the very near future. But right now I'm working in this Moleskine extra large lined, and I started it in January 2022, and I'm going through however long it takes me. And when yeah, like I'll probably have one of those things up here that says started January 1st and ended whenever, and then I'll move into the next book. What I would like to do, however, is put a tab on the side or something denoting when the months begin or whatever. So here's February. This is my opening page, the last day of January. And let me just get you all centered. Okay. Sorry in advance if there's any glare. Okay, during this month, my beautiful son had his 24th birthday. So that was fun. This is just a cover page. It's just scrapbook paper, washi tape. These little calendars I got at the Dollar Tree, they come like this along with a notepad. So I just use them for my opening page. This right here is a cute little Cupid Wheezette that I got from Emmylou Arts. You can click the link down below. It'll take you to her YouTube channel. If you join her YouTube channel, for a very nominal fee, it's like 99 cents a month or something, but it gives you access to her Facebook page. And I don't go on Facebook very often, but I do happen to really enjoy her little Procreate Wheezettes. So that's that. Now, one thing I started doing, I think during this month, it was a very hectic month. Let me just tell you, I started combining doing like a weekly spread, right? So this right here is Tuesday through Friday. A lot of the times my days are exactly the same. You know, I get up, I go to work, I come home, or I might tutor. Some days I tutor, I come home and I spend time with my husband, eat dinner, and watch whatever we're watching on whatever thing we're watching it on. Currently, it's still 24. We're in the final season. So anyhow, I put on here week of, February 1st, 2nd, 3rd, and 4th. On this day, on the 2nd, was when I got word that my grandmother had passed away. I thank you very much for all of your condolences and your sweetness. Yes. So I was still sick. Oh my goodness. Okay. And then at school we had the accreditation program was coming to observe and all that kind of stuff. And we didn't think that they were going to come back into the room, but they did. It all went fine, and she got really great feedback. So that was nice. And I felt so bad. Like I just wanted to go home. So, oh my gosh. And then I wrote, thank goodness I don't tutor today, but then I guess I did tutor. Yeah. A lot of times I don't find out until the end of the day if I'm going to tutor or not. I don't know. Anyway, on the 2nd, still not feeling well, but no fever, so into work I went. Trying to get all the work graded and started on the Friday folders. I had tutoring this day too. It's a really long day. Yeah, I don't get home until almost 5. Excuse me. And then my Aunt Carol texted me this evening that my grandmother had passed. My husband brought home some of my favorite Alstrom Marias on this day. And yeah, I just didn't want to get up and go to work. I'm just so tired. I've been sick. Like at this point, this was the beginning of February. I had literally been sick for 2 full months. Okay. 2 full months. Yeah, I wrote, it amazes me how much snot a body can produce. Yeah, it was crazy, crazy. And then I woke this day with like, yeah, like I hardly had any voice. I don't know what happened. Like I had laryngitis or something. Like I don't even know. It was so weird. And Beauty Queen was leaving this afternoon to head with her brother up to a theme park or whatever. And on this day we celebrated 100 days of school, and for fifth grade in particular, it's the 1000th day of school. So every year we celebrate the 100th day of school. We've been in school for 100 days, but particularly for a fifth grader, it is actually their 1000th day. Little fun fact for you. This was me by the end of the day. I like could hardly talk. Yeah. So we did have fun in the AM. The Kona truck came, which is like a shave ice, you know? So that was nice. And I was just, yeah, when I got home, I about fell over with exhaustion. I was just tired. I couldn't speak. And yeah. So on this day here, let's see. Oh, I spoke with Brookie Boo. Yes, we had a video chat this day, which was really nice. I filmed a ramble session. Still sick and coughing. I still have the cough, and we're in March already. You know, it's crazy. Yeah, just some, oh, I must have done, that's what I did. Okay, that's why this stove here and oven is here. I was dyeing papers all day, I think. Yeah. But then I had a lovely chat with Sweet Brooke, and I'll put her recreations by Brooke. I will put her link below, so make sure you check that out. Oh, and then Big Handsome was so sweet. He's always sweet. I mean, don't get me wrong, but I'm so grateful that my husband is very supportive of me doing my thing, and you know, either whether it's filming for you guys or working in my journal for a few hours or whatever, you know, I'm just always very grateful. And I always try to apologize for it, and he's like, no, I know how much you enjoy it. So it's very sweet. So at the end of our street, there are like a whole bunch of food trucks now popping up all over the place. And I'm fine with that, actually. I'm perfectly fine with that because guess what they're serving? Tacos. Yep. So I'm perfectly happy with that. This was me on the computer. I was doing decluttering videos this day. It was the 6th, a Sunday. Drinking tea with lemon and honey in it. Lots and lots of tea because I felt so bad. Yeah. Ugh. On the 7th, I am unwell. I know you guys have seen some of these pages because, yeah, you just have. I either worked on them in a video or I've shown them to you in, you know, in a, whatchamacallit, ramble session or whatever. So I took a mental health sick day. I was just like done. Like I've been so sick for 2 months and I really just could not even deal anymore. So yeah. My husband had to go to the doctor, so I was home by myself, and it was really rather nice to just be able to come in here and just relax and do my thing and work in my book and get some pages done. So that was really nice. Oh, and that was just like a weird story my daughter told me. She got freaked out on the way home. Anyway, I'm not going to go into that. So this day I was back to work, and here's another day that I just did like 4 days, you know, on one day. I was getting a migraine, which was totally horrible. My kids had gone on Friday to see Swan Lake, so they were really excited. Like my son actually went out and bought himself a suit, and you know, my daughter got a really pretty evening gown, and yeah, they went with work and friends and all of that. So cool. The back picture is a picture of the gang, you know, so I don't want to mess with their privacy. So it was super foggy out this day. Grading, school, chicken pasta for dinner, blah, blah, blah. Same old, rainy and cold all day. PE was inside. Feeling so tired. No tutoring today. We were trying to get started on the Going West journal. Still haven't done that yet. On this day, I awoke tired. It was cool out, but it got hot super quick. So we did get the journal covers dyed. So I take the kids aside and they each coffee dyed their journal covers. So that was a lot of fun. And then I was beginning a migraine. Oh yeah. And the kids went out and all that. This day was like this weekend. See, and that's interesting how I did this. Like the week ended here and then I was able to have like a double spread, for Saturday and Sunday, which I really have been liking that actually. And I've done it more and more in my book, So this was Saturday and Sunday. It was a crappy day for the both of us. I was in bed most of Saturday because I was not feeling well. My husband was not feeling well. I was still really sick. I did this like Vicks Vapo shower thing, took a nice long hot shower. I did receive my Your Creative Studio box and opened it. I'll put those links below as well. That was a really pretty box, butterfly box. Yeah, and then I was super tired. I don't know if I ended up taking a nap or not, but I was super tired and I had so much trouble falling asleep. So that was that. This was Valentine's Day, if you couldn't tell. These are little bits and pieces from all the kids, a cute little card that one of the girls gave me. Yeah, it was such a sweet day. See what I did there? So yeah, just, a fun day at work with the kids. I was cutting the cord for all the feathers. You had seen like in a previous ramble session, I'm sure. We did macrame feathers. Home to relax. Big Handsome was very busy today. He was vacuuming and mopping, and we had Cuban sandwiches. Yeah. Oh, and we chatted by the fire pit. That's always so much fun. Then this day, I'll stop on this spread here. Yeah, this is going to be kind of a short one, but I think my battery's running out. So this was from a Mantra Wellness magazine, 15, 16, 17, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, same thing. Get up, go to work, tutor, come home, relax with Big Handsome. Enough said, right? This day here was when I was probably starting maybe on the feathers for the project that we were doing. The kids also did a super cute thing. It's called, what's it called? Rox-a-Boxin' at school. The first graders do it every year. It is adorable. They build this whole town out of like cardboard boxes and everyone has a store and it's just super cute. So went to work that day, did that, got everything together for the Friday folders and all that kind of junk. And then my husband and I do believe I left early this day. Yep. I left early this day because my husband and I were going up to our north house. And yeah, so we were able to head up a bit early, hung out on the dock for a little bit before we headed over to Momo's house. And my niece and her kids were there. So that was nice. Had dinner. Yeah, sat on the dock some more. Oh, and I saw the most beautiful moonrise. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it was great. My husband had some of a cigar. And yeah, that was pretty much it. So I will come back and I will share with you the rest of February. I will thank you so much for your time and sharing it with me. If you want to see flip throughs of previous journals I've done, go ahead and check the link below. It is, under flip throughs. So click on that and it takes you all the way back. So if you feel like it, go ahead and do that. Otherwise, subscribe if you so choose. I would appreciate that. And I appreciate each and every one of you and your time watching my videos. So I hope y'all have a great rest of your day and a wonderful week. And I'll talk to y'all real soon. Bye for now.